Guys, thank you. I've honestly lost track of the number of times so far this year that Le'Veon Bell was expected to report and then is not or will not at all. I've lost track. But it appears that this is it, because if he doesn't report by Tuesday, he can't play this year. And Ian Rappaport's saying he's not coming. Guys, take it away.
Well, Rap Sheet knows, right? He has sources. Guys, if he doesn't report, and it looks like he's not going to report by Tuesday, Michael, I'll start with you. What kind of impact on the football team, in that locker room, will this have if he's a no-show?
Well, first of all, it's over. You can put it behind you.
You mean forever? It's over in Pittsburgh?
We're not worried about that right now. All you have to worry about in that locker room is it's over. We don't have to deal with it anymore this year.
No.
Now we can focus on what we've been trying to do, which is get ourselves positioned to go and play in the playoffs and hopefully win a Super Bowl. And everybody that's been thinking, well, we can do this, and when we get Lev Bell back, that part is gone. That part is gone. Now you can put your focus on taking care of the team in front of you. And, Kurt, I know to them, that's got to be welcome. No matter which way it goes, We're just happy to get it over with.
Well, and plus they're playing their best football of the year right now. I mean, we're playing good football. We don't need a distraction. They've had enough distractions there throughout this year and over the last couple years. Now it's like you said, it's like maybe it's a good thing now that Le'Veon's not coming back. Obviously, we would all want the player, but just a distraction. If he comes back now, well, how many touches does he get? And where do we put in James? And now we got to answer questions, and now we got to try to figure, hey, we're playing good football right now. Now we can put that behind us. We've got our group. We've got the guys we're going to war with, and let's keep playing good football, Coach.
Yeah, and they're going to miss him. He played very well for 5 years. But like you said, it's over. It looks like it's going to be over, but they have an alternative, a very good one with James Conner. And you know what? They are a Super Bowl contender with James Conner.
Right, and remember now, the other night, they don't have to report until Wednesday. Yeah. So they don't even have to deal with it. Yeah. It'll all be over when they get back.
Business as usual when they report Wednesday, and on they go. Rich, on we go.